Yep.
You are ready? You have to sit and put the question because this is your question. Yeah.
Okay, well,
Where is your picture else to come? We start. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
okay, Dr. Maharaji, I'm pretty sure everybody wants to know what is the real meaning of wealth.
Yes. The external money, house, they appear and disappear. This house was someone else's name. Someone else's name is like a people like traveling in a boat.
Yeah.
You know, it changes the names and form, everything changing. Is the picture coming or the light is okay?
Yeah, the picture's fine.
Okay, picture is fine.
We
Yeah.
should probably.
All right. Yeah. More little face. Yeah. Okay. So now
You want to start
we
over?
see, yeah, no, we see that the life is uh, beyond the value of the dollar because you see the example that one very rich man was traveling and the boat was all filled up with the gold and he needed one bottle. Did you turn it on? He wanted one bottle of water, drinkable water,
Yeah.
and there was no water.
Yeah.
He died because of thirst,
Yeah.
and the whole boat sank because of too heavy load of gold.
Yeah.
You have seen Alexandra offering half kingdom for 10 years. Give me some life, 10, even 10 days, and he'll give half the kingdom.
Yeah.
And nobody could give him 10 days.
Wow.
So, of course, if you feeling sick in the sick bed and you have the delicious foods and the delicious food don't taste, they will taste like bitter medicine. The taste changes. And you are strong and healthy, young, the food changes. The taste of the food changes. The same person, you remember of 2-year-old or 5-year-old, the same food
Yeah.
has a different kind of flavor and taste. So where is it? Is it outside us? Is it inside? It is both. So life is beloved, is blissful here and now. Only you turn and transform from worried mind to the open heart. And open heart cannot be gained and purchased and achieved through technique. It already is. Only thing is the grace of the oneness and the grace of the wholeness, which is so subtle, which is praying for the human being. Hey man, why are you so caught up into the objects?
Yeah.
Why you are so lost? You are not to achieve the peace. The peace is seeking you as you. All is perfectly perfect here now. You don't need to achieve or reach somewhere. Just come back home. That is the real Sanskrit word called Swa Astha. Swa means the self, Astha means established in the infinite self. Not the name and form, not the memory, not the mind, not the. Because mind and brain cannot figure it out. It only live it or miss it. The truth cannot be taught with the words and languages and the brain and the books. No. It is so divine and so wholeness that you are to lose yourself. Lose yourself means what? The memory. The little monkey mind which want to capture unknowable, which is infinite consciousness, which is only is beyond the time. Of course, you need time to learn a language, to learn a computer, to learn a driving car. Those are just the technical and mechanical things. But love is not learned through time. It is already is. The bliss already is. The beloved you are seeking already is. You are perfectly perfect. Just turn back to the God face from the human face, from the monkey face. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om. It's too simple, that's why people miss it. Because it is too